DLL. DLL is the daily lesson log. Next is, when preparing a lesson plan or even DLL is, we are required to follow these objectives, subject matters, procedure, assessment, and assignment. First is objectives. We all know that objectives is our learning goals, the learning goals of the teachers. What the teacher wants to achieve the students after the topic or after the discussion. And next is subject matter. So before ta magkuano objectives na to, before ta magkuano goal or objectives is we have to it's important to know the topic or subject matter because our objective is mag-base siya sa atong subject matter o sa atong topic. Kaya dili man ta dili ta pwede maghimong objectives nga dili connect sa atong topic. Maghimong ta objectives nga ma-aim sa mga bata kaya i-achieve sa mga bata or kaya makaya buhaton sa mga bata. Next is the procedure. Procedure is steps on how to teach the learners, on how to apply your topic, how to deliver your topic. What is the procedure when we are teaching students, especially kanang magdemo ta? First is kanang sa activity or motivation. Motivation. Next is the activity or based on sa 4 is lesson plan. Motivation or activity, analysis, abstract, and assessment. Mag-follow ta sa procedure ka angay na to i-apply inside the classroom. Next is the assessment. After the discussion, after the implementing of the topic, we know that there are assessments that we need to pa-answer sa mga bata to know that they know the topic or to know that your teaching strategies are success ang imong mga strategies sa pagtulong sa bata aron makabalo kag naabay improvement ang mga bata sa susunod sa classroom. Next is assignment. Extended na ni siya siguro sa kuana sa kanang reality na sa elementary kinahanglan nga after the discussion, after everything nga imong pagtudlo after sa assessment na ay extended nga assignment sa balay aron dili sa mga bata mabalintan ang topic nga inyong gitudlo sa anang adlaw. Next is start the class right, laying down the curriculum plan. The main part of a lesson plan are balik-balik objectives or intended learning outcomes, ILO. Objectives, kinahanglan nato og learning outcomes or goals to be achieved by the learners. Subject matters, magkuha ta atong main topic, kung sa itong topic, nga sa mga bata, and also mag-base sa curriculum nga atong i-kuha sa mga bata. Dili man ta magpatakatakuha na itong topic kung dili ta mag-base sa atong curriculum. Next is procedures, strategies of teaching, assessment of learning outcomes, and assignment or agreement. Intended learning outcomes, ILO, these are the desired learning that will be the focus of the lesson. Ang gusto, objectives nga imong gibuhat pa sa mga bata is dili gyud ang main nga kanang dapat kani nga objectives is ma-achieve gyud sa mga bata. And objectives presented to us cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. KSA. Cognitive knowledge, affective is psychomotor is ang skills, and affective is kanang kuan sa mga bata kanang ikaw kay values. Yes, values sa mga bata. And Bloom's taxonomy has been revisited by his own students, according to Lorraine Anderson and David Hartwell. Dili na pa po sa ato ang Bloom's taxonomy. Gi-introduce na ni Ma'am Gillian sa ato itong ipahimutan niya og DOS or Table of Specification. First is evaluation. Tanawin niya sa Bloom's taxonomy nga wala pa na-revise. Evaluation, synthesis, analysis, application, comprehension, at knowledge. Pag din na sa revise is na-utro na ang evaluation na mo na siya creating sa ubos na ang evaluating, analyzing, applying, understanding, and remembering. Next is revise Bloom's taxonomy. There are 3 major changes in revised taxonomy. arranging these categories. As you can see, ang evaluation sa katong wala pa na-revise is naman na sa babaw. Pero sa na-revise na siya, evaluating na natin sa ikaduha. Nauna na ang creating. And establishing the levels of the knowledge level in the original version. Next is cognitive categories with the example keywords or kanimo ni siya. Ang remembering is recall or retrieve previous knowledge of the previous knowledge of the learners. Like this, defines, pag mag-imo of kanang objectives is define, describes, identifies, labels, lists, outlines, selects, or states. Ang next is understanding, comprehends meaning, translation, state problem in own words or making meaning. Pwede mag-use, example keywords are comprehends, explain, distinguishes, estimates, gives examples, interpret, predicts, rewrite, or summarize. Anin, ang applying, ang kaning remembering and understanding is sa case is sa knowledge ni siya once sa learning objective. Then next is the applying. Use concepts in new situation. Applies what has been learned in new situation. Mo ni ang sa katong psychomotor skills sa mga bata. Applies, changes, computes, operates, construct, modifies, uses, manipulates, prepares, shows, and so. Next is analyzing. Separate materials or concepts into component parts so that the organization is clear. Distinguishes between facts and inferences. Breakdowns, compares, contrasts, diagrams, differentiates, discriminates, identifies, infers, applies, relates, selects, and separates. Next is the evaluating and creating. Evaluating makes judgments about the value of ideas or materials. Appraises, compares, criticizes, defense mo ni siya sa assessment nga part pag-evaluate sa mga bata. Evaluate ang ilang nasabtan. Next is the creating. Ay, ang sa one day, ang sa psychomotor is the creating. Or pwede po itong applying. Kaya creating is ang atong skills sa mga bata, ilang nasabtan, makakuan sila. Mag-build nila structure or pattern from various elements. Put parts together to create a whole to make new meaning and structures. Example, keywords are composes, compiles, designs, or generate or create itself. Now, sa case A is the student, at the end of the lesson, the students are able to identify, create, or sa pag-abot na sa attitude is analyze or apply. Apply sa siya ang sa cognitive categories with the example keywords of Bloom's taxonomy. Next is the higher order thinking skills. Higher order thinking skills is nag-base niya sa katong Bloom's taxonomy nga na-revise. Ang iyang doing kaba active kani siya. Ani nga part creating, evaluating, and analyzing. Tapos ang visual receiving, passive, almost na sa applying, understanding, and remembering. Verbal is mo na siya. Higher order thinking skills and lower order thinking skills. Next is level of knowledge. Factual knowledge, ideas, specific data, or information. Common features, multiple specific examples, which may either be concrete or abstract. Understanding ideas. One of the example na is why triangle. Mag-answer hindi siya sa why. Ang factual knowledge mag-answer sa what. Ang conceptual knowledge mag-answer sa why. And procedural knowledge is mag-answer sa how things work, step by step, actions, methods, or of inquiry. Ang metacognitive knowledge is mag-answer niya siya sa kanang kaugali, kung ano yung kaugali ng self. one's own condition, thinking about thinking na you know your capabilities. Imo ko galing mo nakabalo ka kung sa kaya nimo. Ano siya ang mita cognitive knowledge? Know yourself. Next is subject matter or content. Sa primero na kong slide ganina, nabalik na ang subject matter or content. Subject matter or